animal diversity program. In this topic, we are going to discuss very important phylum in animal kingdom, that is Arthropoda. Arthropoda. Arthropoda, this is the largest phylum in animal kingdom. So this is the largest phylum in animal kingdom. This is the largest phylum in animal kingdom. So the term Arthropoda was coined by Van Siebold. So the term Arthropoda was coined by Van Siebold. This is the largest phylum in animal kingdom. And here one class, Insecta. It is the largest class in animal kingdom. See, so many animals were there in Arthropoda phylum, but from those I will select some of the names of the Arthropoda animals, which is helps for you. The common animals which is present in our surroundings, those are the scientific names and the common names. Gryllus, field cricket. Gryllus, field cricket. And the common, we know about this housefly, Musca domestica, housefly. Next, Vespa hornet, and Periplaneta americana, cockroach. Scolopendra centipede, Zulus millipede. And Cancer crab, Palemon prawn, and Penaeus monodon, that is called tiger prawns. Apis mellifera, that is not millipera. Apis mellifera, that is honeybee. So Apis family is honeybees. Apis mellifera, Apis dorsata, and Apis indica. Different types of the animals are there. And Cymex lectularius, that is bedbug. And Peripatus, walking worm. And Buthus, that is giant forest. And Daphnia, water flea. Cyclops, the freshwater flea, Cyclops. And Zulus, millipede. And Belanus, rock barnacle. Belanus means rock barnacle. And Lepisma, silver fish. Limulus, horseshoe crab. And last one is Componotus, house ant. Gryllus, field cricket. Musca domestica, housefly. Vespa, hornet. And Periplaneta americana, cockroach. Scolopendra, centipede. Cancer crab. Palemon prawn. And Penaeus monodon, tiger prawn. Apis mellifera, that is honeybee. Cymex lectularius, that is bedbug. And Peripatus, walking worm. Buthus, giant crab. Daphnia, water flea. Cyclops, freshwater fleas. Zulus, millipede. Belanus, rock barnacle. And Lepisma, silver fish. Limulus, horseshoe crab. and Componotus, that is house ant. These are the common names and scientific names of the arthropoda animals. Come to the topic. These arthropodan animals, the habitat of these animals, it lives in terrestrial region, and some of the arthropoda animals are aquatic forms. Aquatic forms. So these are lives in any way. And these are the animals are mostly nocturnal animals. Mostly all the cockroaches are nocturnal animals. Some are nocturnal animals, some are diurnal animals. Nocturnal animals means the animals metabolic activity is high during the night time. That is nocturnal. So the animals which migrates one place to another place during night time is nocturnal animals. Diurnal animals, they move during daytime. Next one, in these animals, the body of these animals, it is divided into three parts. First one is head, and second one is thorax, and third one is abdomen. So the body of these animals are divided into head, thorax and abdomen. These animals, that shows that molting or ecdysis. Molting or ecdysis process. These animals show these molting and ecdysis process. See, this is the introduction of the arthropodan animals. The largest phylum in animal kingdom are ecdysis. The body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen, and this body, the body of these animals is covered by a thick cuticle. The body of these animals are covered by a thick cuticle. Due to the presence of these cuticle, it acts as a hydroskeleton structure. So it conserves the water, it prevents the loss of the water from their bodies due to the presence of the thick cuticle. The conservation of the water is the important character in these animals. Conservation of the water. See, the cuticle, hydroskeleton, the skeletal system is present outside of the body. So the skeletal system of these animals are present outside of the body, hence it is known as exoskeleton. The skeletal system of these animals are present outside of the body, hence it is known as exoskeleton. Once I repeat it again, these are Gryllus field cricket, Musca domestica housefly, Vespa hornet, Periplaneta americana cockroach, Scolopendra centipede, cancer crab, Palemon prawn and Penaeus monodon tiger prawn, Apis mellifera, that is honeybee, and Cymex lectularius bedbug, Peripatus walking worm, Buthus giant forest, Daphnia water flea, Cyclops freshwater flea, Julus millipede, Belanus rock barnacle, Lepisma silverfish, Limulus horseshoe crab, Componotus house ant. In these animals are triploblastican animals. All these animals are triploblastican animals having three germinal layers, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. And these animals, the level of organization of these animals are a well-developed organ system level of organization. So in these animals, the process of level of organization is organ system level of organization seen in these animals. And these animals, the symmetry is bilateral symmetry, bilateral symmetrical animals. The body is divided into two equal antemeres. When the animal cut into anterior posterior axis, so this is bilateral symmetrical animals. These animals are bilateral symmetrical animals because the body can be divided into two equal antemeres when we cut the organism through the anterior posterior axisally. Those are bilateral symmetrical animals. Bilateral symmetrical animals. Now, here in these animals, the sensory system includes statocyst and simple eye and compound eyes. So the statocyst is the part that is for the equilibrium of the body and also helps to purification of the water and helps to identify the purity of the water. That is the statocyst. Simple eyes and the compound eyes, these are also acts as a sensory system in these animals. And scolopedia, all these are for the sensory system. And coming to these organisms, digestive system, the digestive system. In these animals, the digestive system includes alimentary canal with associated glands. The digestive system, the alimentary canal that leads from it into three parts. Alimentary canal, nothing but gut. It is divided into foregut, midgut and hindgut. Foregut, midgut and hindgut. Associated glands that secretes several enzymes. These enzymes converts carbohydrates, proteins, fats into simple ones.